Hello, friends, how are you? So, in today's episode, I want to share my experience. So, recent experience when I felt so much of very stress. It was stressful for me, and how I came out of that. So, I would like to share that experience with you. I hope it would be interesting for you to hear. So, as you all know, I'm doing a MA in psychology, in counseling psychology. I'm in last semester. So for that we have to do internship also. So because of this pandemic situation, I was doing online internship. So that was also approved. We can do online internship. So I did the online internship last week, just few days back, like 4-5 days back. No, in fact 3 days, I think 3 days back we finished everything. Like internship got over, and we had to submit the internship report. So deadline was given. So I was doing that. Like it was around like 75 to 80 pages once I finished. So last day of the deadline, last date was approaching, last day. So I had to submit, and I was under lots of pressure due to some health issues. Like 2 days I could not prepare the report. So I had to take rest. So that made that, like, the internship was like taken to end of the day, last day. It was that last day I have to finish, and like 50% of was almost 50% was not finished. So I was under so much stress that the previous night also I could not sleep. After I got up, I was feeling so much stress. I could not, it was so stressful that I could not breathe at all. So then I said, okay, in that condition, what I do usually is I just sit. I leave everything and just sat back and just took some deep breaths. So I started deep breathing, and then it felt that like I should take control of this situation. So then what I did, I said that today is not the last date. I said that let's remove this. What is the cause of this stress? Because I'm thinking like today is the last date, so that's bringing me that much of stress. So I will just think that today is not the last date. It's okay if I give like tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I can request. Okay, so I just removed that barrier, that deadline. That deadline was causing me so much of stress. I removed that deadline. Once I removed, I was thinking. So then I thought, what should I do? Because I had to make boost my morale, boost my mood. I was I don't know where to start and what to start, and like I was lost. So much is there, and whether I would be able to complete all those things were going in my mind. So then second thing what I did, I need some boost. So parallelly I was doing this course also. You know that I have enrolled in few courses. I was doing this course, online course, and just one lecture was left. And that came into my mind. I remember that. So I said, okay, let's go. So today I will finish this last lecture, then I will get the certificate. So I finished that lecture, and I got this experience, that satisfaction. I got this satisfaction. You can say the instant gratification. You can say that also. So I was satisfied. Okay, finally I feel like since 1 month I was doing this course. So I got satisfied because finally I finished this course, and instantly you get this certificate after finishing in the online platform. Okay, so instantly I could download the certificate. So I downloaded the certificate, and it said that okay, Nalini, you have completely finished the course, and congratulations and all those things. So many things they had mentioned. Reading that, my mood got uplifted. I felt very good, that feeling of accomplishment. So I finished yet another course. So that felt very good, and I got this energy. So from there on I said, okay, now I got this energy, and automatically I felt like, okay, I can now go back to my internship report and finish. So just within like you won't believe me, like 2 to 3 hours I sat down, and just like that, like so, like butter, like everything flowed, like so smoothly everything flowed, and I could finish that within time. And I felt a very great, great feeling. That is great feeling. And I was like, I felt very good about myself, because at that point I could think what should I do and how to take care of this situation. So in this stressful situation, I took good care of it, and I could come out of that stress and got the solution, and finally I could finish whatever was there to be done. So uh, so what we have to do is, first, in stress, if you are in stress, first sit and take deep breaths. Breathe deeply, at least for 1 minute. Okay, take deep breathing, and then you will know what to do next. Okay, whichever is causing you stress, that you can remove. That. There is nothing that you it is that like you should do that day, that moment only. There is nothing. What is more important is your health, right? How you are feeling, that is most important. Others comes next. First priority is your health and how you are feeling. If you are feeling stressed, then that is not good for you. So first you have to take care of that stress, right? You have to remove that. That's what I did. So that was really intuitive. No, I did not plan. So I was connecting with myself inward. I was looking inward. So I am sure everyone can do this. So my request is that if you come across stressful situations, please do like this. Take deep breaths, and you will get the next step. What you have to do, that's it. So friends, I share this experience with you, and I'm feeling so good to have shared this, and I hope this will help you in some or the other way, and you also felt interesting. And thank you for listening to this episode, and also continuously supporting my podcast. Please keep on listening, and I'll meet you all in my next episode with yet another podcast. So till then, please take care of yourself, and happy weekend, and tata, bye bye.